Okay friends, so let's go ahead and learn some quick tracing methods in Adobe Illustrator. Quick tracing method is allowing you to trace solid color silhouettes within our fingertips. You do not need to draw them from scratch. For example, if you find a recycle logo in Google, so when you're finding any images, make sure to find under large option. So you can find a large option when you move to the tools option, and from here you can activate the large option. Then you can find quality images from Google. Fine. So what you have to do is just copy and paste it on your Illustrator document. But that image is functioning as a raster image. Let's say if I want to vectorize it, I can use quick tracing option. So what you have to do is select the image, then you can click this image trace option, which is default mode, or you can pick silhouette option from the drop down menu. Let me show you a difference between these two options. Before that, let's make a duplicate of this, and for the first one I'm gonna apply default tracing option, and then let's click expand option. And so when you're using the default tracing option, it's vectorizing the image, include the background. Okay, if you want to remove the white background, right click and choose ungroup. Then you can delete unnecessary elements from the image, right? And the second option is the silhouette mode. So if I choose silhouette option, then I can trace the main elements without the background color. Then let's expand it and ungroup it, and you can delete unnecessary elements from the image. So you can use the default mode or silhouette method, depends on the image that you are trying to trace. Similarly, if I try to find out some complex black and white patterns, and I can use the tracing options to trace them quickly rather than drawing from scratch. So let's try with this leaf pattern. So copy it and paste it. Now this image background color is black. If I use silhouette option, it's always picking a darker element in the image and remove the light colors. But actually I want to trace the leaf pattern, so I'm gonna just use a default tracing mode. Now if I expand it and let's ungroup it, then I can select and remove the black background and take the leaves as vectors into my design page. So basically you can use these type of patterns to create background elements or images for packaging, flyers, so on. Okay, so let's say if I want to vectorize this Google text, so I have already copied a few images of that in my document. In this case I'm going to use silhouette option and then change the color, because if I choose default tracing option, it's not capturing the light colors like yellow, light blue, light pink, so on. So better to use silhouette option and change the color manually. So let's try with that. Then expand and then ungroup. Now I can change the color of each letters individually. Okay, and guys, there are some more options available under tracing menu. I leave it to you to do some self experiment with those options, and that's all about in this lesson, and move to my next video to learn some more basics in Adobe Illustrator. Thanks.